Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com and welcome to the Java for Complete Beginners course. Now originally I made this course with the idea in mind of promoting some one-to-one lessons that I used to give and that I no longer do, and for that reason originally the course was kind of focused on people who are already doing a bit of Java and they just wanted some kind of help in systematically understanding the whole subject. But since then a number of people have commented that it's not really a Java for complete beginners because I hadn't kind of explained where you get